Mom is going to do something with a game. Got it.
I have a game for you. Would you like to play a game with me? Sound creepy. Okay, I made you a scavenger hunt. Do you want me to read the cards to you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So your first card says, if this tree doesn't stop reading at me. Okay. This first card says, if you are feeling a bit heat-stricken, go to where you can hear a story from Mr. Lincoln.
Bye.
Where do you think that is?
Okay, so
Here, hold it up.
is it your favorite spot that you like to cool down in?
Yes.
How did I know where to find?
Where are we going?
Come on, it's gonna be easy to find.
It's gonna be easy to find. All right, should we turn them around so they can see where we're walking? Okay,
yeah.
I'll help you turn it around.
One.
No, you gotta do it fast. Okay, like that.
Okay, so there's this like a
Gotta walk around this way because there's some friends for meetings.
Okay, so we are going to this place. Mr. Lincoln's Manor.
Mr. Lincoln.
We're going to here. This place is so much fun. I know that. I was like,
Mason, over here.
Mom loves this spot. Now, do you just like do it fast? 1, 2, 3.
Well, because it's like an art gallery, so we don't have to watch the Mr. Lincoln show. But this was your first clue.
Okay.
All right, should we turn it off right now?
No. Okay, so here is the Bogey Elephant. Next is an evil queen. What is her name again?
Evil Queen, I think.
The evil queen. It's right.
Okay.
So,
Next clue says, number 2, most birds will fly away, but these birds are here every day.
most birds will fly away, but these birds are here every day. See? Most birds will fly away, but these birds are here to stay. I turn this on.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
It's a little bit of a far place, but it's gonna be fun. It is Mom and I's favorite place, the Tiki Room. It's the Tiki Room. I know it.
You sure?
Yes, I know.
Oh.
Because this Tiki Room is so fancy. Just fancy. Most birds will fly away, but the Tiki Room birds are here every day. But, okay, so the Tiki Room is just like over there. And most birds will fly away, but the Tiki birds are here every day. That's their home. That's their nest. They will never fly away from their nest.
Should we go watch the show?
Sure, but okay. But can we video it?
You're not allowed to. They're shy birds.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, you got arrested
That's against the rules.
Yeah.
by the school.
We don't want to be rule breakers and get kicked out. see where you're filming. That's up your nose. Oh, perfect timing.
Now, hi, remember me? It's Harper. I will help all my.
Okay, remember me. Okay, you ready for clue number 3? Okay, can you see me?
Yeah, they can see you.
Number 3. You might be in for a scare when you visit this silly old bear.
You might be in a scare. You visit this silly old bear. I have no idea what it's saying. You might be in a scare.
In for a scare.
In for a scare when you visit this old bear.
Silly old bear.
Silly old bear.
Who's a silly old bear?
I have no
You
idea.
have no idea who's a silly old bear.
I think I know who it is. Can I keep the camera running?
Sure. Where are you going?
Oh, and also we just came out of the tiki room. We just came out of the tiki room and we're just
Want your rain jacket again?
no. And we're heading for a ride.
You're going the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Where are you going? No, that's the wrong way.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Harper, out of the way. Okay.
Hi, this is me again. This
Figure out the clue?
is we're going to head to Pooh Bear because Pooh Bear is a silly old bear. He's been around for a long time. So we're just heading to Pooh Bear. This is so much fun.
Pooh Bear looks closed.
Is he?
Yeah, see. Here. Yeah.
Is he
Pooh
close?
Bear is currently offline right now.
Ah, biscuits.
Well, let's do your next clue then, okay? Okay, you have to see my whole face, okay?
No whole entire face.
Number 4. I don't know about you, but I feel a bit beat. We better stop at Pooh's Corner for a
Tree.
treat.
This is actually kind of fun.
Yeah.
We're going to go to Pooh's Corner for a treat. Both of us are going to get a treat. I still don't know what I'm going to get. I feel like I have to take 18 minutes to decide because I just don't know what I should do. That is all I bought.
It's going to take you 18 minutes to decide on your treat.
Yes, I
Oh
think
my
I am.
goodness, that's a long time to try to figure out something, huh?
I just can't figure out something really quick.
All right. So right after the exit of Winnie the Pooh's Mini Adventure is Pooh's Corner. And they have one of the confectionery display cases. That's the word I'm looking for. Wow. Those are so cute. Let's look over here.
Okay, now give me the next clue.
Number 5. Going for a horse ride is a lot of fun. I hope you get to pick a pretty one.
Going for a horse ride is pretty fun. I hope you get a pretty one. See?
I don't think it's going to be open right now.
Me either. I don't think the ride is open, but I think it's going to be fun.
Where is it?
Just follow me.
Okay, baby, I need.
Hi. Okay, remember. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. 1, 2, 3.
Hi. It's me again. But this is going to be an epic ride. But I think it's closed because of the rain, but might be open tomorrow. But if it stops raining soon, that we are coming, it's gonna be fun. Ooh,
No.
well, it's gonna be fun. And we're next to,
Oh, yeah, I don't see anybody on it.
Are there lots?
is it?
I think the Fantasyland is closed. I haven't gotten on there.
We haven't gone on it in a long time.
That's two things. Two things in a row. Well, it was supposed to be King Arthur's Carousel. It was the answer to the riddle.
But I guess we can do the next one.
We can do the next one. Let's get out of the
The-
way and figure it out together, eh?
The last clue.
Okay, last one. Ready?
Okay.
Number 6. Don't worry, she is not dead. This girl is just sleepy and resting her head.
I think we need to go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay,
Okay, how about we do it this way? Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, now you can film this. There you go. Okay, it's gonna be really wet, okay?
I know.
Water? Okay.
Wait, hold on.
So what'd you think about your scavenger hunt?
It was interesting.
Okay.
It was interesting because, well, we did it all in the rain,
Mm-hmm.
and no scavenger hunt has been in the rain.
A lot of the things I had on your clue list are all closed because of the rain, huh?
Every single one.
No worries. So
Should we say goodbye?
that tunnel on that side, that'll take
Bye.
I'm Courtney.
And I'm
turn in and
Harper.
there'll be a
Turn next time.
the tunnel.
Wait, hold on.
Yep.
It's Harper and Courtney's Disneyland Adventure. So bye on this episode. But we'll be back. We haven't done a lot of Disneyland stuff, but this is our last time. Well, maybe not our last time, but
You can say goodbye.
goodbye.